Next we have super country nursery. So he secured 88.2%. So he is super country nursery. And we will be followed by focus of the color stream. So please get ready. So he is super country nursery with 88.2%. So we are looking at with the focus of our stream. First we have crispy Balagaon. So this is 87.4%. So this is crispy Balagaon from common stream. Followed by Janila Masari. So please get ready with your parents. So this is the combo of common stream. Next we have Janila Masari. She secured 85.4%. 85.4%. So she is Janila Masari. Next we have Balagaon. Next we have Balagaon. She secured 84.4%. In our this is final resolution. Balagaon. So she is Balagaon. And she will be followed by the toppers who score 80% and above 80%. So please get ready. Next we're moving ahead with the felicitations to the students who score 80% and above 80%. First, I'd like to call upon Russia Musmatari. Russia Musmatari is 87.4%. So she is Russia Musmatari, followed by Marconi Musmatari. Marconi Musmatari. Next we have Marconi Musmatari. I request with your parents also. So she is Marconi Musmatari, so she secured 84% in our final examination. Followed by Sada Surar. Please get ready. Next we have Sada Surar. Come with your parents. So next we have Sada Surar. So she secured 82.4%. 82.4%. So she is Sada Surar. And she's followed by Balagaon. Next we have Balagaon. Balagaon, she secured 81.6%. Balagaon, she secured 81.6%. Next we have Moromi Hauri. Moromi Hauri, she secured 80.6%. Morongo-Hauri, 80.6%. And she's followed by Lizzy Puspatari. So please get ready. Lizzy Puspatari is pure 80.6%. Lizzy Puspatari is pure 80.6%. And is followed by Purnima Rai. So please get ready. He is Lizzy Puspatari. Followed by Purnima Rai. Next we have Purnima Rai. She secured 80%. She is Purnima Rai, securing 80% in our final examination. And she's followed by Sonia Hebron. Sonia Hebron, please get ready. Number 1. Next we have Sonia Hebron. She secured 80%. And last we have Ricky Musahari. So please get ready. Kiriti Musahari, sorry. She is Sonia Hebron with 80%. Next we have Kiriti Musahari. Next we have Kiriti Musahari. She secured 80% in our final examination. She is Kiriti Musahari. So I guess all the toppers for the arts and commerce as well as who scored 80% and what is done over here for the competition. All the toppers,
All the toppers, first, second, third, no, first you come, after that subject of 80% above it. Yeah.
what was the stream?
Only the trophies.
I replace all the toppers, so please come over here.